Click on the Sales tab and click on Add a new sale. Now click on Add Job. Let's enter the size 500 by 500. Click Save. Okay, let's now enter our items, starting with our backing, our 9mm custom board, and our satin laminate. Don't forget you can create barcodes and scan these, or even have a template of the block mount to scan straight in. Okay, I'm just going to enter these two, as these are the two primary things for our block mount, and click Save to see our price. So you can see we've come out for that 500 by 500 block mount at $63. If we click on the price, get the breakdown, you can see our cost and what we're charging for each part of that, plus the labour to assemble it. Now let's just close this one and add that job again. This time we'll just add the other item, our block mount standard, and click Save. So here we've come out at $66, which is pretty close to those other two with using the backing and the laminate. So as I said, it's up to you on how you'd like to set it. Have just the one code. So you might have block mount standard, you might have block mount gloss, you might have block mount routed edge. So you can make codes up and just put in the block mount and have a single price, or you can do it like I like to do it, as we sometimes use thicker boards and the laminates listed. I'll just save all those three together. I'll click Close, and then I'll just show you the job sheets. So let's go to Print, click on Jobs. So here you can see it's showing you that we're using a 9mm custom board, satin laminate, and that's the single code that we had. The advantage of using separate items is that if you do put your suppliers in, and you outsource your laminate, for instance, then you can produce a cutting list. And let's have a look at that cutting list now. So we'll go back to our job. We'll click on Reports, Job Items Cutting List. Now we've still got this as a quote, so just make sure it's quote, and let's just have a look at today's date. Now we didn't have moulding, but we do have a backing, so let's show that backing. And so you can see there that we've got those jobs in there, 500 by 500, and there's two jobs, and that's for our 9mm custom board. So let's close that again, go back to our cutting list again, and now for covering. And again, those same two jobs with our laminate. Okay, let's close that. Okay, let's do one more last thing before we finish. Click back on the Sales tab, click on our last sale. Now what I'm going to do here, I'll delete this one here, confirm. This is our sale, or our job with the two items. So this is one we want. Let's give this a description. Okay, save and close. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a template. So let's change our customer name, or create a customer called templates. So this is where we'll store our templates, under the customer template, and we'll change our quote number to refer to block mounts. Okay, we click Save. That's how easy it is to create a template. So when you want to do a block mount, one, you can either create a barcode label and scan your barcode label, or you can simply type in block mounts -1 for as I know this is a standard block mount sat laminate. If we just type in block mounts, then this will take us to the cloning section. So if there were more, if you had other types of block mounts, they'd all be listed here, and you can just tick which one you wanted and clone that job. So when you do clone a job, obviously this is set at a certain size. You'll probably want to go in and just edit the size. Let's change this to 600 by 800. Save. Save again to recalculate. Edit your description and notes, and this will be the customer's description. This might be and then you'd enter your customer's name. Okay, and raise to an order. Alright, that's it for this video.